Hello guys, this is the continuation of the FIPA cell model, okay, that I literally explained to you guys on the previous video on UJ. The reason why UJ is supposed to reach a specific level before we see some certain kind of rejection in the market and see some market reversal due to some certain technical and fundamental analysis, right? So here is gold, because at the same time we did some diagnosis on gold as well. And we had these drawn out, okay? So listen that UJ had sold technically because the market gap from here, okay? And gold sold, which means UJ bought, okay? So gold sold back to this level to take out these lows and fill this fair value, this imbalance, this gap that it created in the market. And at the same time, bouncing off of this zone that we had traced on our previous video to keep an eye on, to observe how market plays out at this level. So watch the way the weeks played out at this level, this specific level. It didn't close even in between, but yet I want to see a nice run below this market. I want to see it run these lows first before any bullish movement or any aggressive buying to the top, to the upper side. Now let's boil it down back on UJ. This is our pair, and that was everything I explained. I didn't change anything. The market is still the way it is. So, it slipped into our entry, like I was explaining earlier on our previous video, or if you go to the 4-hour time frame, that is even more clean for you to see. So this is our swing point that I explained why the entry should be at this point. Why I explain why I don't want to see the market reach back to this point over here, right? If you reach back here, it means we are bullish, but we might as well have some slight rejections to the upside, you know, for any aggressive sell set scene and something like that. But yeah, we are open, and these just activated our entry into this swing point, right? So I told you might as well have some, stop loss here, but I'm a fair man and I'm open for volatility in the market, so I think it's way safer here, right? So this is what the market has been doing right now. So I just decided to do this slight video to update you guys on the Fipa sell model, how accurate it is, as well as the Fipa buy model. So this is just Monday, okay? This is just Monday, and I'll keep updating you guys how these plays out to the tick, right? So if you go to the 1 hour, right, you saw this spike above these, and after this break in structure on the 1 hour time frame, the next 1 hour candle was coming back above the SIP here, and saw this aggressive sell on the 1 hour candlestick, right? So where do you think this market is reaching at? I think we might find some support at this level. Okay, we might have some supports at this level. Yeah, I want to see the market find some support, some slight support at this level, and some little bit of rejection to the upside, maybe filling this fair value gap, the imbalance it created coming below why not before any other aggressive movement to the downside. But this is the Monday, bank holidays. We don't have a lot of volatility on this day, so want to still be observing the market and trade safely. All right. So that was just a quick reminder of our higher time frame directional bias on the Fipa sell model. So with that being said, y'all better be safe and take care.